Boy, you should know that I got you on my mind. Your secret admirer. I've been watching you.
Hey, what's up you guys? If you're new here, my name is Gigi and today is July 6th, which means that it is my birthday! So today I am in an Airbnb that I rented out to hang out with my friends for my birthday to celebrate, and I just wanted to come on here and do a quick little get ready with me to show you guys the makeup that I'm going to do for my birthday. So without further ado, let's get started. So I went ahead and already did my brows, so now I'm just going to go ahead and conceal with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So now that I've done my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and set it with this True Match powder in the shade... I actually have no idea what shade it is, but all I remember is that I literally couldn't find this in stores and I had to buy it on Amazon, so that was racist, but I think it's in the... I have no idea what shade this is in, so I'm just going to go ahead and set my concealer with this. The next thing I'm going to do is blush, and so for blush, I don't use anything special. I just use this old Ratchet red lipstick, and I just put it on my cheeks and on my nose. So this is nothing unusual for my normal makeup routine. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and contour using this True Match stick from Fenty Beauty in the shade Expresso. I'm just going to blend that out with a wet beauty blender. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is my eyes. So I'm going to take the same lipstick that I used for my blush, and I'm just going to put it a very light layer over my lids. Actually, first, hold on, I totally forgot. I have to do my transition shade first. So I'm literally, this is Ratchet, okay? If you've ever seen makeup tutorials on my channel before, you know that they're Ratchet, and I use the oldest, most crustiest products. So I'm literally about to take this old ass palette. Please don't even look at it. I couldn't even tell you where it's from or anything because it's literally broken and I've had it for literally 10 years. But I'm going to take this random brown shade that I'm going to use as my transition shade in order to put that lipstick on top. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use the same lipstick again. I'm pretty sure I got this from Hot Topic or something. It's just a matte red lipstick. I'm going to just put a light layer over my lids. I'm going for a very blushy, feminine pink look for this. So yeah, that's why I'm using the blush / the lipstick on my lids, because I want it to be very fresh and blushy and pretty and cute. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Fenty Beauty highlighter, the Killawatt one in the shade Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. Please don't look at this also because it's also broken. Again, like I said, this is Ratchet tutorials. So I'm just going to grab, please don't look at it. I'm going to grab this side over here that's not falling apart, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I actually forgot to mention, I said I was going to do this all over my lid, but I'm actually going to leave a little bit of the red lipstick on the outer corner. So I'm just basically doing it on the inner corner to the middle of my lid. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take whatever's left of this other side on my highlight palette, so this lighter pink, and I'm going to go in on the inner corner and a little bit on the outside. I'm just going to go back in with this lipstick because I want to really make sure it all blends together. Okay, so now I'm basically done with the eyes. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this black liquid eyeliner by Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to go over my lash line. Okay, so now that my lash line is lined, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and did both my lashes and my faux freckles off camera, but if you guys would like a tutorial on how I do my fake freckles, because they are a part of my everyday look, please let me know in the comments down below. So now I'm just gonna finish this off with, I can't even, oh my god, this is so ratchet. You guys are gonna think I'm such a nasty hoe after this, but this is a NYX matte finish spray, so I'm just gonna spray my face with this real quick. And now I'm just gonna go back in with that same Fenty highlighter that we used on the eyes.
Oh,
yeah! Oh my god!
So nice.
It is so nice! I'm so happy for you, bitch! So I'm like, oh yeah, you could come in the video. My friend is here.
You're shooting right now?
I'm literally filming
That's
right
funny.
now. Yeah, the beautiful Lena. And come say hello, Valerie. Black queens only. You already know. I'm feeling 22. So for the last step, I'm just gonna go ahead with this NYX lip liner. I don't know what shade it's in. Oh, actually it's in the shade Club Hopper. So I'm gonna line my lips with this and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put on this gloss that's just like a $1 gloss from like the hair store. So this is the final makeup look. I'll be back in a minute to show you what I'm wearing.
I think of you. I want to be your lady, baby. If you give me some, give me a couple. And if your love is strong, I give my all to you. At night, I think of you. I want to be your lady, baby. If you give me some, give me a couple. And if your love is strong, I give my all to you. Every day I pray my heart can win. Every night I pray I could call you my man. I want you, I need you, to have you, hold you, squeeze you. So I'm going out every weekend just to see my boo, yeah.